A remote island community in Pangasinan no longer has to cross the sea just to get safe drinking water. Thanks to a solar-powered desalination facility, seawater is now being turned into potable water for residents. Mobile Journal Denise Valdesancho reports.
Surrounded by the sea, Isla Silaki may appear to have an abundant water supply. But for decades, residents had to travel by boat to a neighboring island or to the mainland just to get drinking water. The trip took 15 to 20 minutes each way, costing families money for fuel and exposing them to dangerous sea conditions. To address this long-standing problem, the Department of Science and Technology installed a solar-powered water desalination facility on the island.
The Department of Science and Technology implemented a solar-powered water desalination facility in Silaki Island, Bolinao, because the community faced a long-standing shortage of safe drinking water. So matagal na nilang problema ito. Being a remote island, Silaki has no natural freshwater source and no connection to a centralized water supply system.
The system collects seawater and uses solar energy to power a reverse osmosis process that filters out salt, bacteria, viruses, and other contaminants, turning seawater into safe drinking water. The facility can produce up to 5,000 liters of potable water daily, benefiting around 380 residents. The 5,000-liter daily output is a major improvement from the approximately 400 liters of water that residents previously transported by boat.
So ang proyektong ito, the Solar-Powered Water Desalination Facility na naibigay po natin sa Silaki Island, Bolinao, Pangasinan, ay nagpapakita kung paano direktang nakapagpapabuti ng buhay ng mga tao ang agham teknolohiya at inobasyon. Sa pamamagitan ng Solar-Powered Water Desalination Facility, hindi lamang tayo nakapagbigay ng malinis at ligtas na inuming tubig sa mga residente ng Silaki Island, kundi nakapagbigay rin tayo ng pag-asa, mas mabuting kalusugan at mas mataas na kalidad ng pamumuhay.
With support from the local government, the facility continues to provide free drinking water to residents and is being eyed as a model for other geographically isolated communities across the country. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho, We are One News.